Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to hard reset Realme 14x 5G smartphone. This is helpful for those who have forgot their password, pin or pattern. As you can see, incorrect password, please try again. This is helpful for those who have forgot their password, pin or pattern. Okay, to do hard reset, first press the volume up and power key together. Now slide downward to power it off. Okay, now it is successfully power off. Now press and hold the volume down and power button together for a few seconds. Press and hold it. Now release the power key and keep pressing the volume down key and release it. Now here select language and you can see it will send you in recovery. Format data, reboot device and power off is available. Tap on format data. And guys, here you can see, please enter verification code. It is 3486. Enter it, 3486. And guys, read it carefully. All user data will be reset. Now tap on format. Please wait. Do not perform any other operations. And you can see data formatted. Now tap on OK. And guys, after hard reset might take some time to boot to the device, and after hard reset might again ask for password, pin or pattern. Use Google account to unlock the phone. So guys, this is the method to hard reset Realme 14x 5G smartphone easily. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query related to video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe and click on bell icon for the latest updates.